We all need clean air to breathe. It's essential for our health. Indoor air can be polluted with toxins from furniture, carpets, and cleaning products. This can lead to health problems like headaches, allergies, and respiratory issues. Indoor plants act like natural air purifiers. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, improving air quality. They also remove harmful toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. NASA's Clean Air study found that certain plants effectively filter indoor air pollutants. This makes our homes healthier places to live. Imagine a spider plant gracefully filtering the air in your living room, or a peace lily removing toxins from your bedroom while you sleep. These plants not only beautify our homes, but also act as silent guardians of our health. By incorporating a variety of indoor plants, we can create a healthier and more refreshing indoor environment. Creating a green oasis indoors is not just about aesthetics, it's about investing in our well-being. The air we breathe directly impacts our physical and mental health. By introducing air-purifying plants into our homes, we take a proactive step towards a healthier and happier life. Life can be stressful. Work, family, and daily responsibilities can take a toll on our mental health. Spending time in nature is known to reduce stress and improve mood. But what if we could bring that calming influence indoors? Studies have shown that being around plants can lower blood pressure and reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. The color green has a calming effect on the mind, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Just looking at plants can evoke feelings of peace and tranquility. Imagine coming home after a long day to a home filled with lush greenery. The sight of your thriving plants, the scent of fresh herbs, and the vibrant colors of blooming flowers can instantly lift your spirits. Caring for plants provides a sense of purpose and accomplishment, further boosting mood and self-esteem. Incorporating plants into our living spaces is like bringing a piece of nature's tranquility indoors, whether it's a small succulent on your desk or a large leafy plant in your living room. Plants offer a natural and accessible way to manage stress and enhance our overall well-being. Our work environment plays a crucial role in our productivity and focus. A dull and uninspiring workspace can lead to decreased motivation and increased mental fatigue. Introducing plants into our workspaces can have a significant impact on our cognitive function and productivity. Studies have shown that being around plants can improve concentration, memory, and attention span. The presence of nature elements like plants has been linked to increased creativity and problem-solving abilities. A greener workspace can also reduce mental fatigue and increase overall job satisfaction. Imagine a workspace adorned with a variety of plants. The vibrant green hues stimulate the mind, while the fresh air improves alertness. The act of caring for plants during short breaks can provide a much-needed mental reset, leading to increased focus and productivity when returning to tasks. By transforming our workspaces into green havens, we create environments that nurture our minds and enhance our ability to thrive in our professional endeavors. A small investment in greenery can yield significant returns in terms of focus, creativity, and overall work satisfaction. Our brains thrive on stimulation. Exposure to nature, even indoors, can provide the mental nourishment needed for optimal cognitive function. Plants have a unique ability to engage our senses and stimulate our minds in subtle yet profound ways. The colors, shapes, and textures of plants provide visual stimulation, while their scents engage our sense of smell. Caring for plants involves touch and movement, further stimulating our senses. This multi-sensory engagement helps to improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive flexibility. Imagine a child captivated by the growth of a sunflower seed they planted, or an elderly person finding joy and purpose in tending to their indoor herb garden. The act of observing, nurturing, and interacting with plants provides mental stimulation that can benefit people of all ages. Incorporating plants into our living and working spaces is like providing our brains with a constant source of enrichment. The subtle yet constant stimulation from plants can enhance our cognitive abilities, keeping our minds sharp, alert, and engaged. Section 5. Allergy relief, combating indoor allergens with nature's air purifiers. Allergies can make life miserable. Dust, pollen, pet dander, and mold are common indoor allergens that trigger allergic reactions. While we often associate plants with pollen allergies, certain plants can actually help to reduce indoor allergens and provide relief. Some plants, like peace lilies and spider plants, are known for their air purifying qualities. They absorb airborne allergens, reducing their concentration in the air we breathe. Other plants, like English ivy and rubber plants, can help to reduce mold growth by absorbing excess moisture from the air. Imagine a home where allergy sufferers can breathe freely without the constant worry of sneezing fits and itchy eyes. Plants like snake plants and areca palms act as natural air filters, removing allergens and improving indoor air quality. This allows allergy sufferers to find relief and enjoy their indoor spaces comfortably. By strategically introducing allergy-friendly plants into our homes, we can create a healthier and more comfortable environment for everyone, especially those sensitive to indoor allergens. Plants offer a natural and effective way to combat allergens, providing relief and improving the quality of life for allergy sufferers. Section 6. Connecting with nature indoors, a source of joy and mindfulness. In our increasingly urbanized world, we often find ourselves disconnected from nature. Spending time outdoors is essential for our well-being, but it's not always accessible. Indoor gardens offer a way to reconnect with nature and experience its restorative benefits within the comfort of our homes. Caring for plants provides a sense of purpose and connection to the natural world. The act of watering, pruning, and observing plants can be incredibly grounding and mindful. It allows us to slow down, appreciate the simple beauty of nature, and connect with something larger than ourselves. Imagine starting your day by tending to your indoor herb garden. The scent of fresh basil and rosemary fills the air as you gently water each plant. This simple act of connecting with nature can set a positive and mindful tone for the day ahead. Creating an indoor garden is more than just decorating with plants. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with the natural world. It's about finding moments of peace, joy, and mindfulness amidst the busyness of daily life. Section 7. The joy of growing your own, from seed to satisfaction. There's something deeply satisfying about growing your own food. Whether it's a windowsill, herb garden, or a dedicated indoor grow space, cultivating edible plants connects us to the source of our nourishment and provides a sense of accomplishment. Imagine the joy of harvesting fresh herbs to season your meals, or the satisfaction of picking ripe cherry tomatoes from your indoor garden. Growing your own food, even in small quantities, fosters a deeper appreciation for the food we eat and the natural world that sustains us. Starting seeds, nurturing seedlings, and witnessing the transformation from tiny sprout to edible plant is an incredibly rewarding experience. It teaches patience, resilience, and the importance of nurturing life. The act of harvesting and consuming what you've grown connects you to the entire cycle of food production, fostering a sense of gratitude and appreciation. Indoor gardening allows us to tap into our innate desire to connect with nature and provide for ourselves. It's a journey of learning, growth, and the simple joy of witnessing the miracle of life unfold right before our eyes. Section 8. Creating your indoor oasis. Tips for success. Creating a thriving indoor garden doesn't require a green thumb. With a little knowledge and effort, anyone can create a green oasis in their home. Here are a few tips to get you started. 1. Choose the right plants. Consider your home's light conditions, humidity levels, and your personal preferences. Some plants thrive in bright, indirect light, while others prefer shadier spots. 2. Provide proper drainage. Use pots with drainage holes to prevent overwatering and root rot. Choose well-draining potting mix to ensure proper aeration for your plants. 3. Water wisely. Overwatering is a common mistake. Check the soil moisture before watering and allow the topsoil to dry out slightly between waterings. 4. Fertilize regularly. Indoor plants benefit from regular fertilization, especially during the growing season. Use a balanced fertilizer and follow the instructions on the packaging. 5. Observe and adjust. Pay attention to your plant's needs. If you notice any signs of stress, such as wilting leaves or yellowing foliage, adjust your care routine accordingly. Section 9. A greener future. The growing trend of indoor gardens. The trend of indoor gardening is on the rise, and for good reason. As people become increasingly aware of the benefits of connecting with nature and improving their indoor environments, indoor gardens are no longer a novelty but a conscious choice for a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. From vertical gardens and living walls to hydroponic systems and smart planters, innovation in indoor gardening technology is making it easier than ever to create thriving indoor gardens. Social media platforms are abuzz with plant enthusiasts sharing their tips, inspiration, and stunning indoor garden creations. This growing trend reflects a shift towards more mindful and sustainable living. Indoor gardens not only enhance our personal spaces but also contribute to a greener future by promoting biodiversity, reducing our carbon footprint and fostering a deeper connection with the natural world. As we embrace the numerous benefits of indoor gardening, we create a ripple effect that extends beyond our homes and into our communities. We inspire others to connect with nature, improve their well-being, and contribute to a more sustainable and harmonious future. Section 10. The Well-Being Harvest, Reaping the Rewards of Indoor Gardening. The rewards of indoor gardening extend far beyond aesthetics. By creating green oases in our homes and workspaces, we invest in our overall well-being and cultivate a deeper connection with the natural world. The benefits we reap are both tangible and intangible, enriching our lives in countless ways. From cleaner air and reduced stress to improved focus and enhanced creativity, indoor gardens nurture our minds, bodies, and souls. They provide a source of joy, mindfulness, and a sense of accomplishment that enhances our overall quality of life. As we tend to our plants, we cultivate patience, resilience, and a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. Indoor gardening is a journey of growth, discovery, and the simple joy of witnessing the miracle of life unfold right before our eyes. In a world that often feels chaotic and disconnected, indoor gardens offer a sanctuary of peace, beauty, and renewal. They remind us of the simple pleasures in life and the importance of nurturing our connection with nature both within and around us.